This is Bennu. It's an asteroid about a third of a mile wide, and in 2135, it's going to pass dangerously close to Earth. Experts are fairly certain that's all it's going to do. But now, according to NASA scientists, their calculations are predicting it's going to pass so close, Earth could affect its orbital trajectory, meaning our planet could actually cause a future collision with the asteroid in the year 2182. But there are other forces at work that make this big space rock difficult to track as well. Bennu's orbit around the Sun is about 1.2 years. Meaning it's fairly similar to our own. And that's a big reason why Bennu is also labeled the most dangerous asteroid in the solar system. As it orbits and rotates on its own axis, the asteroid's sun-facing side is heated, cooling again as the asteroid rotates. This is called the Yarkovsky effect, and it slowly alters the asteroid's trajectory. This, coupled with the asteroid passing through our own gravity well within the next 150 years, is going to bring about some fairly unpredictable variables, changing the asteroid's path. But NASA scientists say the chances are still low by the year 2300, only about 1 in 1,750.